Well, I guess everybody wants to see painting the motor mount. So look, I got it hanging above the motor. I got the motor all covered up because you know it's painted so fucking party, right? Whoop. I guess I should watch. I'm gonna end up watching the camera and then get a shitty ass paint job, or I'm gonna get a shitty ass film job because I'm looking at like trying to get a good paint job. But hey, I mean anything for my non-existent viewers, since this is I had nothing for a YouTube channel. Spin my look. Oh Jesus Christ. Hang on. There we go. Now I got the camera in the right spot. I made a couple offers on Facebook Marketplace. I'm looking for an AX15 transmission with a master transfer case. I could use my transfer case for this place to go, but sometimes it's easier to find them just together. I found one at there 6 hours away, $650. I found another one. It's still a few hours away. It's attached to another motor right now, and I'm trying to get them to separate them. And yeah, we'll see if we can do them, separate them. I don't know what to do now. I have another bunch of quartz in here. What if I probably have to fix. How about this cord? What's this cord do? Okay. You gotta be, and if you don't care about the paint job too much, look at this. Another dust coming up. Oh no, it's going to touch. How about I keep it away? I'm gonna put something between there and keep it. This would be perfect to put in between there, but it's never gonna fit. Wait a minute. Let me use my noggin. This might not work. This probably ain't gonna work because that's wet. I'm gonna have to touch this. Fuck it. Wait a minute. Oh shit. No, I didn't have to touch it. You dumb motherfucker. You dumb motherfucker. Ah! Ta-da! Just don't breathe on it. Oh, you are able to see. Goddamn this fucking... Hear that wind out there? That wind is something else, boy. Okay, I'm back. Not that that really even needs painting, because that technically is the bottom. But I don't want rust, so that's why I'm painting it. My dog's going ape shit crazy. This is actually a bracket that came with that cheap ass Amazon bumper I got. Okay. We'll let that dry while I grind the other one and clean it up.